Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace a charging port and a headphone jack board on the Samsung Galaxy A71 4G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then eject the SIM tray. Next, undo 14 screws on the mid frame. And then use a plastic car pry tool to create an opening to separate the mid frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to separate the plastic clips. Take out the mid frame and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, unplug the antenna head and then disconnect the LCD plug, main ribbon plug and Touch ID plug from the charging board. Next, free the main flex by disconnecting from the logic board. Next, apply some heat to release the glue under the board. Next, gently pull out the non-working charging port board from the body. Next, place the new charging and headphone jack port on the body. Next, secure the Touch ID sensor, LCD plug and then place and connect the main flex from both ends. Next, secure the antenna head. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, restore the mid frame. Ensure the clips are tightened and then secure 14 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.